Hi, this is Paul from antivirusforyou.com, and today I'm going to review Norton Security 2018 beta. The main application window is conveniently split into 5 main categories called Security, Identity, Backup, Performance, and More Norton. This section of the interface mostly serves as a way to monitor the antivirus's activity and make quick adjustments. For example, as you can see here, the security section shows when the last scan was done and allows you to launch a quick scan. But in order to get into more detail, you have to get into the advanced menu. This is the case for most sections in the screen. So, clicking on the scan button, we can see different kinds of scans we can do. A quick scan that, as you can see here, examines key areas of your computer, or a full system scan, in case you suspect your machine is severely infected. One interesting feature I'd like to point out is called Norton Insight. It identifies the files and applications that are safe or dangerous using Norton's database that's based on more than 175 million users to prevent possible threats. The Live Update button will lead you to the Update section of the screen if you wish to update manually, but of course Norton Security automatically downloads and installs important product or feature updates when you are not using your computer, so it may not be necessary in your specific case. Going to the Advanced menu, we can see features like Auto Protect, which uses Norton's Proactive Exploit Protection, or PEP, which protects Windows from so-called zero-day attacks that attempt to exploit undiscovered or unpatched vulnerabilities. We can also see Sonar Protection, which detects signs of dangerous files to proactively protect you from new threats. Smart Firewall prevents strangers from accessing your home network by blocking specific incoming traffic determined to be unsafe. Spam blocking is also offered. Some of these features are made possible by the browser extensions Norton provides. After installing the antivirus, you'll get this pop-up mentioning that browser extensions need to be installed. In my case, it's extensions for Google Chrome. Clicking Install Now, you'll open a page with installation links for these extensions. I already have 2 of them installed, as you can see here. Click here, and after that, it's as easy as just clicking Add Extension. Moving on, in the advanced screen of this section, we can see a toggle for a feature called Identity Safe, which is a great feature that we'll cover a bit later. Safe surfing alerts you of unsafe websites before you actually visit them. Download Intelligence prevents you from downloading files from websites that have a low reputation score within the Norton user community. Switching over to the Identity section, we can see a feature called Identity Safe. After logging in and creating your so-called vault, your usernames, passwords, addresses, and other sensitive information will be safely stored in the vault for future automatic entry in the browser of your choice. There's a statistics screen just for these features showing how many logins, passwords, and other data has been saved to the vault so far. In the Settings section, we can enable and disable different web safeguards that are based on Norton's database of malicious websites. In the Backup section of the antivirus, we can see that, for me, this feature is not yet set up, so let's do just that. Opening the Settings, then Backup Settings, then Configure, and we can set up which sort of files we want Norton to back up. Clicking on Preview, we will see which of our files fit the filters we just set up. For me, it's a bunch of wallpapers I downloaded earlier. Then we set up when exactly we want Norton to do its thing. I, for example, want to do it on the 2nd day of each month. And after saving the settings, it's done. Opening the Performance section, you can go through some checkups Norton recommends, like Disk Optimization or Startup Manager, that will prevent some resource hogs you might have from launching on startup, slowing down your workflow. In the More Norton section, you have shortcuts to web services where you can set up additional devices for protection and specific parental controls for usage on your children's devices. In the end, I think Norton Security is a great choice for family households with standard uses for personal computers. It's easy to set up, it's light on resources, and it has simple explanations of all of its features. Overall, I definitely recommend it. This has been Paul for antivirusforyou.com. Goodbye.